On the Canary Islands, a mysterious people lived, with legends and myths surrounding their origins. The Guanches were a subject of fascination, with their unique culture and physical characteristics. What the test showed made no sense, sparking a quest for answers. The search for the truth about the Guanches began with their physical appearance. The Guanches were often described as tall and fair, with some reaching over 6 feet. This sparked theories of lost Atlanteans or stray Vikings, given their unusual appearance. Their features were unlike those of other indigenous peoples, fueling speculation about their origins. Theories abounded, but concrete evidence was scarce. For centuries, historians and scholars have debated the origins of the Guanches, with some proposing they were stranded Cro-Magnons. Others suggested they were remnants of an advanced civilization, lost to the sands of time. The debate raged on, with no clear consensus in sight. Each theory had its merits, but none could be proven. Genome-wide data from 11 pre-conquest individuals was analyzed to determine the origins of the Guanches. This data provided a comprehensive view of the Guanches' genetic makeup, allowing researchers to compare it to other populations. By doing so, they could identify patterns and connections that might shed light on the Guanches' origins. The process was painstaking, but the results were eagerly anticipated. Mitochondrial genomes were also analyzed to trace the maternal lineage of the Guanches. This focused on the genetic material passed down from mother to child, providing a unique window into the Guanches' past. By examining the mitochondrial DNA, researchers could reconstruct the maternal tree of the Guanches, potentially revealing clues about their origins. This was a crucial aspect of the study, as it could help confirm or refute existing theories. Data suggests that the Guanches had North African Berber-like lineages, pointing to Northwest African origins. This was a significant finding, as it hinted at a connection between the Guanches and the Amazigh peoples of the Maghreb. However, the exact nature of this connection was still unclear, and further research was needed to confirm the theory. The implications were substantial, as they challenged existing notions about the Guanches' origins. Guanches likely migrated to the Canary Islands around 2,000 years ago, but the exact circumstances of their migration are still debated. It is unclear how they first crossed to the islands, or why they later had no boats. These questions remain unanswered, leaving room for further speculation and research. The mystery of the Guanches' migration and settlement continues to fascinate and intrigue, with many theories competing for attention. For centuries, the Guanches maintained genetic stability. They carried lineages found across the Amazigh peoples of the Maghreb today. This stability is evident in genome-wide data from 11 pre-conquest individuals. A study published in Current Biology reveals the Guanches were North African Berbers. They reached the islands around 2,000 years ago. This finding settles long-held theories about their origins. Modern Canary Islanders carry a diluted Guanche inheritance. This legacy is a result of the Guanches' presence on the islands. Their genetic impact remains, albeit weakened over time. The study of Guanche DNA has sparked debate. Many questions remain unanswered, including how they first crossed to the islands. Researchers continue to explore these mysteries. On the Canary Islands, a people with a distinct identity thrived. The Guanches, with fair skin and towering stature, fascinated historians and scientists. Their origins were shrouded in mystery. The Guanches were subject to countless theories. From lost Atlanteans to stray Vikings, speculations abounded. But what do we really know about these islanders, and what can their DNA reveal? Recent genetic research analyzed the DNA of pre-conquest Guanches. Genome-wide data and mitochondrial genomes provide clues about their origins. What do these genetic clues reveal about the Guanches? The Guanches' genomes show a striking similarity to those of the Amazigh peoples. This similarity points to North African roots. The Guanches' migration patterns and origins are slowly being uncovered. Around 2,000 years ago, the Guanches' ancestors set sail from the North African coast. They traveled to the Canary Islands, a journey that would shape their history. What drove this migration, and how did they adapt to their new environment? Despite being isolated on the Canary Islands for centuries, the Guanches' genomes show a remarkable stability. This suggests that they had a relatively small population with little genetic drift or admixture. What does this reveal about their social structures and cultural practices? The mitochondrial DNA of the Guanches reveals a fascinating story of their maternal lineage. It connects them to the Amazigh peoples of North Africa, shedding light on their origins and migration patterns. What do these findings tell us about the Guanches? The Guanches may be gone, but their legacy lives on in the culture and language of the Canary Islands. We can learn from their story and honor their memory by preserving their traditions. What can we learn from the Guanches' experiences? The study of the Guanches is an ongoing journey, with new discoveries shedding light on their past. Future studies will help us better understand their history and cultural practices. What can we expect to learn from these studies? The Guanches' story is part of a larger narrative, weaving together human migration, cultural exchange, and adaptation. How do the Guanches fit into this broader story, and what can we learn from their experiences? The analysis of genome-wide data from the Guanches has revealed information about their origins and genetic stability. This data sheds light on their migration patterns and cultural practices. What do these findings tell us about the Guanches? The Guanches' migration to the Canary Islands was a complex process, involving multiple waves of settlers. They adapted to the new environment, developing a unique culture. What can we learn from their experiences, and how did they shape their history? Genome-wide data from 11 pre-conquest individuals revealed a close affinity to modern North Africans. The Guanches' story is one of migration and adaptation. What can we learn from their experiences? Their history is a complex and fascinating one, full of surprises and insights. The Guanches' cultural practices were shaped by their North African origins. Their language and traditions reflect a unique blend of Berber and island influences. What can we learn from their customs, and how can we honor their memory? The Guanches' story is part of a larger narrative of human migration and cultural exchange. Their experiences can inform our understanding of human history and the complexities of cultural identity. What can we learn from their history, and how can we apply this knowledge? Mitochondrial genomes from the Guanches revealed a genetic stability that persisted for centuries. The analysis of their DNA has provided valuable insights into their origins and migration patterns. What do these findings tell us about the Guanches and their place in history? The Guanches' history is a testament to the complexities of human migration and cultural exchange. Their story is one of adaptation and resilience. What can we learn from their experiences, and how can we apply this knowledge to our understanding of human history? The Guanches' language is an important part of their cultural heritage. Although it is no longer spoken, it reflects a unique blend of Berber and island influences. What can we learn from their language, and how can we preserve their linguistic legacy? The Guanches' traditions are a rich and vibrant tapestry, weaving together the threads of their history and cultural practices. Their customs reflect a deep connection to the land and their North African origins. What can we learn from their traditions, and how can we honor their memory? Study of the Guanches has revealed a complex and fascinating history, full of surprises and insights. Join us next time as we explore more mysteries and uncover the truth about the people and cultures that shaped our world, one story at a time, 2,000 years of history, and a legacy that persists to this day.